Not on the floor. What are you guys doing over there?
Cutting chopper.
Cutting what?
Chopper.
How you say that in English?
Onion. Onion.
What's up with your eyes? You guys crying over there?
No. It's just that the onion burns. No, it's strong. Why do you have to use a knife? To cut it.
Cut it over there.
Why isn't this not cutting?
Yeah, that's a butter knife.
Okay, use big people knife. We'll cut our fingers off. We'll have no fingers to count. Alright, then somebody has to do our work. There's the piece that I was looking for. I think I need another chopper. There's some over here. Whoa! That's a big mess. Look at mine. Making a castle. Happy Easter!
What are you guys making over there?
Chopper. Slanina. Slanina chopper. Chopper Slanina. Shush.
You're gonna cut yourself, Ma.
Is Mommy here? No, she's already actually. Sweet! Happy Easter! We're making a cake. Actually,
Onion cake?
yeah. Onion cake.
Who's gonna eat it?
You.
Yeah. Not after your hands.
Well, you're eating our chopper what we're making right now. Yeah, because you told us to. Yeah. Not Mommy. Take this off. I know it hurts.